Hi everyone, welcome back. So today we will see one more section related to some design changes for the website that I recently purchased. So if you are watching this particular video very first time, this video is part of the series of videos that I am creating related to the work that I am doing of one website I recently purchased. The intention is basically to work on this particular site and then flip it after a year. So here is the site. So this is basically I am recording the videos as and when I make some changes and basically uploading onto this on this playlist. So we already completed all these activities. So validation, then website transfers, then Amazon links, theme change, plugin, top pages we already reviewed. So in last video I already covered about creating the Amazon native ads. So after this I just wanted to go with internal linking, but what I thought was I will actually make this simple homepage creation and also set up the color schema for the headings. So reason is I see that some few organic clicks started coming to the site. So now if you see from last 3-4 days there are average about 20-25 visits are there, organic visits for the site. So I just want to give a little better appeal to the site. It's not going to be any groundbreaking design or nothing, just for the headers. If I apply some little different colors, it will look better and also will be easy from the readability point of view. So keeping that in mind, I thought I will actually do this. Also maybe we can create a simple homepage. I go with a very simple design. This is more or less standard homepage design that I create for most of the blogs, very basic. And later point of time, once probably it becomes a big site, maybe we can pick up one of the template that is already available and make the changes, because for now I do not have much of content for about us or to basically talk about any kind of a pillar content and all those things. That's why I want to keep it very simple. So let's first start with this color schema. Go to the appearance, customize. So all I am going to do is basically apply some colors for headers. H1 probably I will leave it as it is, H2 and H3 and H4 for these three headings. Currently all those are I think in block. So go to general and then colors. Yeah, this is normal, and go to typography. So if you see here, everything is block. Now when you click on any of this particular site, any of this particular blog, for example, let's go with this, you will notice that all the headings, so this is the H2 and then probably this is also H2 and this is the H3 and this is also H3. Everything is basically in block. I prefer to apply some colors for this heading so that readability will be better. So I normally use, there is a online website, there is a website called Color Hexa. I play around with multiple color combinations and pick up some scheme for the website. So again, this is 100% personal choice, personal taste. So whatever color scheme you like, if you can apply, or else if you are happy with this black and white, you go with that. So for this site, I thought I did little bit of a search and in the few hours back. So here is the color I thought maybe good to start with. Probably if I get bored with this, or if I get a some kind of a negative feedback later point of time, we can always change it. There is no hard and fast rule to keep the same thing forever. So I will use this one for H2. So let me apply this. Go to H2 and here just all I need to do is apply this particular color. We are good. And then H3 I will pick something in this schema. Maybe I will go with this. This is the color scheme. Okay, let's apply that one. H3 and H4 I want to keep it more mild. So within this scheme probably we'll pick this. Maybe we can make it little dark also. So let's see how it looks like afterwards. If we want to modify it a little bit, we can modify it. Okay, so done. We are done with 3 changes. So let's see how it looks like now. Already, so you can see here the moment we applied, already the changes are here. So for H1 H1 I always keep the standard same color, the very default block color. So H2 the headings got changed, and H3 you can see here already the new color has got now active. I think this is looking good for now. Probably later point after, if you want to modify something, you can always do that. So H4 will be like this. H4, I don't know which blog post will have H4. Where was any top 5 product reviews there? The specifications and all will be there. There we can actually check it out. But anyway, for now, this is how it is going to be. Now, so what this particular site will do is, once you apply any of the color code, this will give the all basically the other colors in that particular palette, so that you can apply for various options, like you can use the contrast complementary colors, or you can use the basically the three palette color, or 4 triadic color. So you need not to search for each heading or font what color you need to use. Once you pick up your base color, it will actually help you with multiple options there. So that's what I normally do. For each website I go with one palette here, one basically base color, and whatever suggestions I get it from here, I apply all those things for the other headings and links and all that. So that is exactly what I did for this site also. So we are good with this. This is, I think, at least I think readability for me, it looks better rather than having all block headings. But if you like only black and white, go with that. So let me publish this. Now we'll quickly create a very simple home page that I follow the almost same design for most of my website, because people hardly visit home page. Just to have some kind of a placeholder, we go and create it. So go to all the pages, and then add new. Go for other reason why I create home pages, I can actually include some H1, H2 in header for this particular page. Otherwise, what happens is, for typical, if you use the latest default post page, you won't be able to write your own custom H2s. So title, will leave it blank. First, I will normally apply a horizontal banner here. So as I said in earlier video also, for most of the graphics I use this Glorify tool. I just created one banner using this particular tool. So this is the banner I just created. You can see here the first one is related to home mats, and then the yoga, and then automobile. I thought it will actually reflect all the products that we are using in this particular website. So it didn't take much time. Template is already available, and then you just make the changes. So let me use that. So first block is going to be some cover page. Yeah, this is the one I am going to use here. Upload the image. I just downloaded and kept it. So here we can use some H1. I just compiled one statement. I may change all these things little later. I'm just doing it for now to make some progress. So about floor mats, types of mats, usage, and best floor mats, or if I find this is most appropriate, I will just retain this. So just paste it here and make this as a H1 rather than normal text. H1, and then make it center aligned. And color, we will apply text color, go with white for this. Okay. Yeah, we are good with this. I don't know why it is not reflecting. Probably once we update, it will get reflected. So after this, I will actually go with a one H2, one text block. So there is something called advanced headers, advanced heading. This is the one we can use. So go with probably this is the text I used. H2, everything about all types of floor mats, including yoga mats and color mats, car mats. I just wanted to use have our primary keywords in the H1 and H2. That's all what I tried. I didn't think much, or I didn't do much of research. I just picked up some keywords and created these sentences. So let me paste here. Yeah, this is good, right? And I want to make this as a H2 and make it center line. This is fine. Now all I am going to do is basically I will just use the grid option to display the number of these posts, the blocks. So for this there is a post grid is there. I think yeah, post grid, go with this. So now yeah, all the posts have come. So normally I don't like this exits and read more and all in the home page. It's again personal choice. If you like to keep them, and you can keep. My choice would be, so take out all these images, fine, and content point of view, don't show the author, don't show the date, don't show the comment, don't show the exit, and I don't even want the read more button for now. And this background also we can actually take out, or if it is okay we can keep it. So let's see how it looks like for now. Yeah, this is okay. I think yeah, this looks to be fine for me for now. Probably will leave with this, and what we can do is we can increase the number of posts in that block. For now, how many posts are there? There are 6 are there. Probably we can go with maybe we have so many posts on the page, so we'll go with 24. And later point of time we can also do one thing. Once site becomes probably very big and attracts a lot of traffic, you can create this kind of blocks with different categories. Okay, so this is fine. And what else we need here? So columns 3 and image is okay. So probably after H2 we can actually give a little gap here, just space, apply maybe a 20. Yeah, so let's preview this. Yeah, I think this is fine. We can actually reduce some gaps between the columns and rows, so let's do that. Probably what we'll do is we'll keep the column gaps as it is, or else will post purchase page is fine, and content is okay, and where is the spacing is here. So probably between vertical we'll make it maybe 30, and between the horizontals we'll go with 40, so that there is more space. Again, I just play around with this, and whichever I feel more comfortable for me, I go with that. I think this is fine. For some blocks I even take out this background. I normally keep it only the pure white, but I think for this it looks okay. Yeah, this is fine. I think we are good. So we'll take out this header part, go to the settings. So this is a block setting, go to the page settings, and here there should be something to remove the title, or somewhere here. Yeah, default page title, yeah, disable. That's all what we want to do. And name, so this one page will actually we'll name it as home new. Now let's preview. Yeah, it's gone. This is home new, and yeah, this is perfectly fine. This is all what I want for the home page. This is the home new, and let's open any of the blog also. Then we should be able to see that the header colors also. So that's the H1. Now you can see H2 already got the color got changed, and if there is H3 there is a different color. I think here is the H4 we used. I was not very sure how it looks like. This, I think this is looking good. Some difference. I think this is fine. Probably I will make it little darker, or maybe I will leave it as it is for now. overall, I think that's all the changes I wanted to do from the design point of view, so that anyone visits the site now, at least I think there is a, from the readability point of view, I feel this is better than earlier. Okay, so we'll just publish this page, and all what we need to do is go to the appearance and go to customize. There we need to basically add this particular page to replace the default page with this particular page. So if you go to home now, I think it still shows the earlier, this is the current layout. All what we need to do is go to where it is, not menus, site identity, not site identity, where was it, home page setting, yeah, here it is, a static page, and then pick home new whatever we created just now. Yeah, that's all. Now it should get refreshed automatically. Yep, good. Just publish it. Now refresh the home page. Yeah, we are done. I think from here, this is good. This is the normal standard design I follow. So a lot of people have been asking me for a long time to show one of my blog where they wanted to see how it looks like and all. This is a standard, almost every blog I go with the similar design, and also for headers I use the different color pattern for each of my blog. Okay, I'm good with this. This is looking good. So that's all. I just wanted to share, do the changes that I wanted to do today, and also wanted to share with all of you. If you all have any questions, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks. Bye.